it's me, Pam VanEe, and yesterday I gathered a few leaves in our yard, and I put some in between wax paper, and I'm going to iron. Doing this with one hand, and I'm going to iron the leaf in between the wax paper a minute, and then I'll show you what I've done. Once that is finished, I have a towel. I also have it under this mat here, and I just ironed it, and now you have a beautiful leaf, waxed leaf pattern. I thought I could put these in journals, and I did make some more that I have here. Oops. So I just made a few other ones, different leaves that were in my yard. Yeah, I have to Google how long they will stay good in a journal. I tried to get different varieties. I kind of like them that are overlap like that. So that's what I've been doing. Some singly, some doubly like that. Pretty. And some, I don't know, is that like a disease, I wonder, with the spots? But the leaves don't have to be perfect. We're not perfect, right? So, yeah, I think they still have beauty in them. This one I think I have to redo. It has kind of a bubble to it. I might have to, well, maybe it's okay. Anyway, so I thought I'd just show you what I did, and maybe we'll take a little nature walk to see if we can get some more leaves today. All right, thanks so much for watching. Oh wait, I guess I'm coming back to do the nature walk. It's fall. It's a beautiful tree here. And the leaves are falling. Let's go crunch some leaves. Let's walk in some crunchy leaves. Let's go down my driveway here. It's fall. I love fall. I love Honeycrisp apples. I love warm, cozy sweaters. And the leaves, yes, they are falling. The trees aren't peaked, but they're starting to turn. See them coming down? I think it's going to rain the next couple days, so I thought I better take a little nature walk now, because it's gonna be raining soon. Let's crunch some leaves. There's a pretty one there.